Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-7545 IAQ-Calc Indoor Air Quality Temperature and Humidity Meter with Data Logger. The TSI 7445 IAQ-Calc is an indoor air quality meter and data logger for measuring carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, indoor temperature, relative humidity, percentage outside air, dew point and wet bulb temperature. The model IC-7545 has a user-adjustable time constant and data logging intervals, and logs up to 26,900 data points with 4 key measured parameters enabled. The TSI IAQ-DAT2 software permits easy transfer of collected data to a computer. In the box is a carry bag with points to attach the carry strap and a handle on top. Inside is molded foam to keep your 7545 IAQ meter safe during transit. There's an included carry strap for the bag, a CD with the IAQ-DAT2 software, some paperwork, including a product registration card, a certificate of calibration, and a user manual. A USB cable, the calibration collar, a cleaning cloth, an AC adapter, 4 included AA batteries, and the indoor air quality meter. To get started, insert the 4 included AA batteries into the battery compartment on the rear. Features of the meter include an extra large backlit multi-level screen, eight buttons, the battery compartment, a slide-on clip to attach the air quality sensor. On the bottom is the AC adapter connection and USB port. And on the other end of the cable is a multi-parameter indoor sensor with an ergonomic handle and groove to slip onto the meter. The sensing probe relies on the diffusion of air, so for best results, try to keep the sensing probe surrounded by moving air and do not breathe onto the probe. And that's what comes in the box with the IC-7545 IAQ-Calc Indoor Air Quality, Temperature and Humidity Meter with a data logger. To watch a video demonstrating how to set up and take measurements on this meter, or to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!